try these out. Man, that's good. Come on. Ooh, come on now. That's it right there. Secrets in the sauce, come on. 62 grams of protein and under 400 calories with only like 5 carbs. That's something you're looking for. This video is for you. Check this one out. I think I outdone myself this time. I make tacos all the time, but I just made some meat that is so good by some spices and items that I found in the store. I wanna show you these items. I want you to go check these out. If you can find them in your local grocery store, get them. Keep them in your pantry, keep these items in your fridge, and you can make any kind of meals, beef, chicken, it don't matter. What I'm trying to do is provide some value on if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. If you keep your pantry ready, if you keep your fridge ready, there's no more excuses. I'm trying to show you how to do that. Check this video out. Let me know in the comments if you've tried something like this. What do you like to make? If you're gonna try it out, let me know how you like it. I know you're gonna like this one. Tacos are so easy, but it's the sauce. The secret is in the sauce. So I'm gonna show you how to make this sauce. Now, the thing about the sauces is they are so simple to make. I love making high protein sauces for my chicken and for my beef. And the main thing that you need to keep in stock is this right here. This is all you need, fat-free yogurt. Come on now, 1 serving of this is 18 grams of protein. Now you don't have to use a whole serving, which is 3/4 cup. You can use half of that. Whatever needs to fit into your diet, it matters on how much meat you're cooking, but all the sauces that you can make out there, start with a base of Greek yogurt. Now I like to get the plain because it tastes a lot better. I like to add my own stuff, which I'm gonna show you right now, the items I added in the other day, and it tasted amazing. You're gonna like this one, man. I can't wait to eat, man, I'm getting hungry right now, come on. All right guys, so for these tacos, I'm using 6 ounces of 96 lean beef. I have 1 serving of my yogurt there. Let me show you some of these other items here. Now I cooked the meat using this right here, this garlic and lime. Man, this stuff is so good. My kitchen smells great right now. Go get you some of this. This stuff is great, okay? And then I also added a little Tex-Mex chicken and steak seasoning. Come on now, this is so good. I just added a little bit of that to the meat, cooked it up, it's good to go. This is another one right here. Melinda's coming in with the ghost pepper wing sauce. Man, have y'all seen this? You let me know in the comments. This stuff is amazing. I'm trying to tell you, it is so good. Okay, go get you some of this. If you see, I found it at Walmart. I've seen it at different stores. Melinda's is coming in with the heat. This stuff is so good. Taco Bell fire sauce. If you know, you know. Let me know if you get down with Taco Bell fire sauce. I use it all the time. Get you some of this. Try it out. If you never thought about trying out Taco Bell, I'm trying to tell you, it is good. I like to keep Tajin in stock as well. So good to make this sauce. A little pure lemon juice. If you want to roll with regular lemons, you can. I just like to keep the juice in stock. Makes it much easier. Oh, and the kettle and fire back here. Come on now. You don't have to use this, but anytime I'm cooking that right there, I use this right here, all right? Gives it flavor, adds a little protein in it, keeps it from sticking to the pan, just a little bit of it. You don't need much. It matters how much beef you're cooking, but kettle and fire, best tasting bone broth I have found out there. Let me know if you know about kettle and fire, or what do you get down with? Come on now. And for this meal, what I'm gonna use is 0 carb tortillas. These are optional. You don't have to use these tortillas if you don't want to. These are the jalapeno flavor. They are so good. Jalapeno flavor, man, is so good. Now, you don't have to use these. You can use lettuce wraps, cauliflower rice. You can mix that with some protein pasta. You can do all kinds of stuff. I'm just gonna use these because I got them in stock. These are great. 1 tortilla is only 30 calories, all right? So I'm making 3 of these jokers. You don't have to use these if you don't want to, but these are my go-to right here, all right? And I always recommend you get some veggies. I like to roll with these. I just made these real quick. All right, you can air broil them. You can put them in the beef if you want to. You put them in that beef if you want to. It's up to you. But I just cooked them on the stove, so I just got me some of these. Get you some type of veggies in your life. Come on now. All right, before I make the sauce real quick, a little pro tip on these right here before I forget. One of the best ways to heat these up that I have found is I put these directly on top of the meat. And the cool thing is that these are already soft. You don't even need to heat them up. But if you put it on top of the meat, it's gonna get that flavor on one side. It gives them some great flavor, all right? So that's just a little pro tip that I use, all right? So let's make this sauce. Okay, so we're gonna use 1 serving of the yogurt. I just like to add a little bit of lemon juice or lime juice, whichever ones you have, okay? So I just like to put a little splash in there. Splash it, there it is. I'm gonna add a little Taco Bell fire sauce in there. Now this is optional too. You can go with your favorite hot sauce, but it gives it a little fire. Just a little bit, you don't need much. There it is. Throw a little Tajin on there. Keep this Tajin in stock. I love using it. It is so good. A lot of flavor in here. Now we're gonna hit it with the ghost pepper. Come on. Just a little bit in there. You don't wanna put too much. All right. Check this ghost pepper out. Man, it is so good. You can also, once the tacos are done, you can put this on top too. Add a little more fire to it. All right, so there we go. We got everything in there. Just mix it around. This is how easy it is to make these sauces. It is so simple. As long as you keep Greek yogurt in the fridge and you keep these spices, you can make sauces for beef, for chicken, it don't matter. Yeah, buddy, look at that. Come on. Ooh, come on now. That's it right there. Secrets in the sauce, come on. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put the beef in a bowl. Now you can also use this as like a topping. You can also use this as a dip. It is so good. I'm trying to tell you, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on top of the beef. There it is. Just add that on top of that beef. What you do is just mix all this together. Look at that. You're gonna mix all that beef with that sauce. Ooh, that smells good too. Come on now. Let's say you're going to like a party or something and you wanna bring a dip, come with this right here. People gonna be like, wow, what's that? You're like, man, this is a high protein dip right here, come on. Look at that. Wow, this is good by itself. Come on, go put some in here, put some in each one. Man, my kitchen smells amazing right now. These look so good. Hold up. You're gonna wanna try this one. I'm gonna put a little Taco Bell fire sauce on top of each one too. Just a little bit. There it is, look at that. Come on now, you can't beat this. Like I said, 60 grams of protein, around 5 carbs, and like almost 400 calories, okay? This is a great lunch or dinner idea. Man, this smells good. Like I said, you don't have to use the tortillas if you don't want to. You can use lettuce wraps, you can use cauliflower rice, you can mix it with high protein, you can mix it with protein pasta, however you wanna get down, it don't matter. Or you can just use that as a dip. Man, these jokers smell good. Got the broccoli on the side because get you some veggies in your life. Broccoli is good for you. Veggies are good for you, come on. But man, this is so good. I had this other day. I had to share this one with you. Now you cook the beef quick. Beef does not take long to cook. Remember, add your little kettle on fire if you have some. That's totally optional. But measure you out how much meat you wanna use. This is 6 ounces of ground beef. 96 lean beef. Well, 6 ounces get you almost 40 grams of protein, just to give you some context, okay? But man, this is so good. I guarantee you're gonna like this. Keep these items in stock because you can make your own sauces for your own beef, for your own chicken. You can take some boring chicken or some boring beef and make it taste good. I'm trying to tell you, man, this stuff is good. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. I'm trying to show you ways to do that. Let me know in the comments, you're gonna try this one. What would you add to it? What would you take away? I'm trying to tell you, it is so good. I'm about to eat this. Come on, let's go.